My name is Mike Orange, or Jaffa as I'm better known. I'm one of the founders of Qube, and I do the engineering and the design for the business. Qube Buildings was set up to have a sustainable option for garden offices and small buildings. There's a huge market for home offices, but there aren't any being made from sustainable buildings. They're all rather inefficient. I have a background of materials and composites, and I've worked with my business partner to come up with a solution that actually is sustainably responsible and suits the environment. Qube have decided to use materials that we've come across in the past. We're using a recycled plastic core, which is a PET made from plastic drinking bottles, so a very worthy product. And the surfaces, the skins of the product, are made from hemp or from flax with a bio-resin, a PFA, which is a sugarcane resin. So we are using 100% sustainable or recyclable materials in our BioSit product. Using PET as a core, we can actually have a higher or better insulation value for these buildings. So when we want to have a passive house rated building, we only require 250 millimeters of wall thickness. So it's a very high performing foam core. The skin that we use is a fiber reinforced resin. It's much more durable than the actual wood, which would absorb moisture in a traditional SIP building. So we have a better sealed product, a better thermally insulated product, and it gives us a modular building system. At Qube, we manufacture all our buildings off-site, pre-cut them, check them, and then deliver them to site. So typically installation for us would be 2 days. We don't use metal, we don't use wood. We want to keep down the thermal drains that happen on the property. So by having a frameless system with all the inbuilt composite structure, we're able to minimize the metal we use. Qube wants to ensure that our bio-SIP performed as well as a traditional SIP. We need to be market competitive. It's a very keenly priced sector. We're very close on price to traditional SIP panels. We are the only ones that have a sustainable option on it, so we feel that we're close enough that people with responsibility will choose to have a sustainable product.
My name's Hannah. I'm Head of Communications at Qube Buildings. Within the construction industry, we're all familiar with SIPs or SIP panels, and they're actually not very sustainably made. And so what we want to do here at Qube is to come up with another sustainable solution for something that is already in existence. And so we want to use recyclable materials, reusable materials, natural materials. And what we found in using those actually is that they perform better in comparison to traditional SIPs. Sustainability is important to me. I'm a parent of 3 children, and I'm thinking about the future of my children and what the environment is going to be like for them. And I think we all recognise that the construction industry can't really go on the way it is, and so I want to be a part of positive change for now and the future to come. We're really thrilled to be part of the Futurebuild 2023 exhibition here at the Excel Centre. It's so great to share with other like-minded companies. I really love the product that we've kind of been engineering, and the possibilities for the future are really exciting, how we can take that to a wider construction market.
I'm really proud of the materials we've selected. We've stuck to our guns and said we need to pick the materials that work together, that have the same ethos. So we've got a really high performing system that is really credible in our field.